Welcome to my channel all about food. Today I will show you the recipe of Chana Dal Vada, a very tasty recipe of South India which is served as an appetizer. Take 1 cup Chana Dal soaked for 4 to 5 hours in 1 cup water. Now grounded costly and very little water if you need. Add 2 tablespoons chopped curry leaves, 2 tablespoons chopped the leaves, 3 to 4 chopped small green chilies, 1 chopped onion, salt to taste. Mix it well. Now take a small portion of grounded mixture in your hand. First make a ball, then flatten it. Heat oil and fry the patties on medium flame. Don't stir it continuously. After some time, when it settles, then turn it slowly. Fry it till golden color appears and serve hot with any dip.